Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a bake with me type of thing. I don't know how well this is going to go. I am not a baker. I prefer to cook. I don't know why, it just makes a lot more sense to me. My mum usually makes these for me and it's actually out of a box, so honestly I don't know how wrong this can go. But my mum's not here at the moment, so I'm gonna have to make these myself. A little bit of adulting for me today, but I'm gonna be using this Betty Crocker Devil's Food gluten-free cake mix. It's really good for all those people that are gluten-free out there. It's also dairy-free, except for the icing. The icing isn't dairy-free, so we're not gonna be doing that. So I have a bowl here, and it says all I need is 4 eggs, water, and some vegetable oil. So I don't see how this can go wrong, but let's just try it anyway. 180 conventional. That's at 90. Okay. Beat cake mix, eggs, water, and vegetable oil into a large bowl. Goes the cake mix. Fuck, there's a lot of it. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, no. Oh my god, that's perfectly half. Do I need a whisk for this? I don't know if I can. Now we're just gonna scoop the batter into these little cupcake holders. Okay, stop dripping. Here we go.
2 hours later.
Now it's time for these to go into the oven. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Now I've just got to wait for the cupcakes to bake. It says between 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for that. Alrighty, so the cupcakes are done. Let's get them out. Oh my god, it's hot. Obviously, I'm stupid. Okay, so we have just baked the cupcakes. It's still really hot in the pan. But yeah, so because I can't have the icing, there is this brand of chocolate called Whittaker's and they sell like this dark Ghana, I think it's called, chocolate, and it's super good. Like, it tastes amazing, and I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, so if that doesn't say it, I don't know what will. But yeah, so I decided that I'm just gonna, while they're still warm, I'm just gonna stick like one brick, like one square of chocolate on each cupcake so that it like melts onto it, and that way I don't have to like make an icing, if that makes any sense. Okay, now that I have done this, I'm gonna stir it and all that fun stuff. Cool for 10 minutes in pan and gently remove from pan into wire rack to cool completely. So I just have a cupcake here. Yes. It seems pretty good. Got a bit of a crispy top. So I have some vegan, some vegan ice cream here. Just like coconut milk ice cream. I don't know, it's vanilla. Let's just dive right in, shall we? Okay, so let's taste test the cupcake first. Oh my god. I'm fucking amazing. It's like a hard, like, not hard, but like a crispy outer and like super soft inside. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it at least a little bit. I'm really surprised that these cupcakes turned out nice. I'm not doubting my skills or anything, but like I'm definitely better in the cooking department, so I'm kind of surprised with myself. But like, I'm stoked. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a like, subscribe, all that sort of YouTube stuff. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.